In this video, I'll help you get started with DeepDive. I will cover how to schedule interviews, send invites, and in-call experience from desktop and mobile phone. As a new user, once you sign in, this is what you will see. On the top left, you will see two large buttons, the Create a Project button and the Start Instant Session button. For this tutorial, we will be scheduling a session, so let's click Create a Project. Let's proceed to writing the project details. Don't forget to choose among the 15 plus languages supported by UXArmy's auto-transcription feature. Now that we have created a project, let's schedule a session. Fill in the details. In this tutorial, we will schedule a session for our participant, Janet. Save the session. You can either send invites to your participant now or anytime later before the interview. On the bottom left side of the screen here, you can see the links for your team members and stakeholders. DeepDive has 6 dedicated roles. Pause this video to see what each role can and cannot do. Now, you have to copy and send the designated links for your teammates. Note that the links for your teammates are the same for all the sessions in a single project. Only the participant and the moderator will have a unique link for each interview. Just a tip, if you're using Google Calendar, make sure to sync it with your DeepDive calendar so you won't miss out on any of your scheduled sessions. Let's go back to the DeepDive dashboard. Here, you can see the project you created and your scheduled sessions are all seen in this area. To start the call as a moderator, click Start Session. You will now be redirected to a briefing session where you and your attendees will be able to speak and share screens. When the moderator admits the participant and you are in session, everyone's mic and camera automatically turns off except for the moderator, participant, and translator. We can now see the participant waiting in the lobby. Let's admit the participant. Click Start Record. DeepDive call has 3 modes: briefing, in-session, and debriefing. In session, the moderator can write instructions to your participants real-time. You can also exchange messages with your teammates without being seen by participants. You can also easily bookmark key points during the session. We started with the website evaluation on PC. Now, we'll ask the participant to evaluate the mobile version of the website. They can transfer to the mobile session by clicking on the same invite link they were previously given. Your in-session is now done. You can now stop the recording. Let's proceed to the debriefing. Here, the cameras and microphones of all your teammates will be allowed to be turned on. You have just finished your DeepDive session. You can now go to Session Repository. In this area, you can see all of your timestamp notes from the briefing, in-session, and debriefing. It also allows you to filter notes and bookmarks based on who created them. When you click on a note or a bookmark, you can see it jump to the part of the recording where the discussion took place. In this area, you can access your transcription. When you're done, you can either export data or analyze further in a project-level perspective on Analysis Space. Visit our Analysis Space tutorial to learn more. Thank you for choosing UXArmy.